Welcome back to GED Advanced Geometry. Take a slow breath and let's build this together, one small step at a time. Today we blend two skills, coordinates and geometry formulas. On many GED problems, a shape is not drawn with labels. Instead, you are given the coordinates of its corners. Once you can turn those coordinates into lengths, all your area, perimeter, and distance formulas work exactly as before. The bridge between coordinates and geometry is simple. To find a horizontal length, subtract the x values. To find a vertical length, subtract the y values. Always take the absolute value because a length is never negative. So aside from x equals 1 to x equals 6, has length 6 minus 1, which is 5. Turn every needed side into a length first, then apply a formula. Let's work one, slowly. A rectangle has corners at 1, 2, 6, 2, 6, 5, and 1, 5. Step 1, the width. Subtract the x values. 6 minus 1 is 5. Step 2, the height. Subtract the y values. 5 minus 2 is 3. Step 3, the area. Length times width. 5 times 3 is 15. So the area is 15 square units. Once you have the side lengths, other formulas follow. For perimeter, add up all the outside sides. For a right triangle with legs along the grid, the two legs are the base and the height. So the area is 1/2 base times height. For example, a right triangle with legs of 8 and 6 has area 1/2 times 8 times 6, which is 24 square units. When a side is slanted, it is the hypotenuse of a right triangle, so we use the Pythagorean theorem. Form legs from the horizontal and vertical change, then take the square root. For a slanted side across legs of 5 and 12, 5 squared plus 12 squared is 25 plus 144, which is 169. The square root of 169 is 13. So the slanted side is 13. The grid can also hide a working backward problem. Suppose a coordinate rectangle has a width of 11 and an area of 77, and you want the height. Since area is length times width, write 77 equals 11 times h. Divide both sides by 11. 77 divided by 11 is 7, so the height is 7 units. The grid does not change the algebra. Before we finish, let's dodge the 3 most common traps. First, subtract coordinates in a consistent direction and keep the length positive with absolute value. Second, do not use a diagonal distance as if it were an area. Distance is a length. And third, when the picture is not drawn, count carefully by subtracting coordinates rather than guessing squares. These small habits protect a lot of easy points. Excellent work today. You can now turn coordinates into lengths, then find area, perimeter, and diagonal distance on a grid. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, write it out this way. Given information, then formula, then substitution, then the answer with units. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED geometry questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in the next session on working backward with formulas. Keep going. You are doing great.